Tennessee, visiting Thomas the Tank Engine. Who is that, Charlie? Well, look at Thomas the Tank Engine. Look at that. There's Thomas the Tank Engine. Wow. Isn't that neat? You like Thomas? Yeah. We can go take a ride on Thomas here in a minute? Okay. Thomas is carrying a big long train, isn't he, huh? Yeah. Everybody, why don't you go stand over there so I can get you in the picture too? No? Okay.
Yay!
All right.
Thank you so much.
Charlie, can you wave? Charlie, we got a big train coming here? Charlie?
Yeah.
All right. You're going to stay over here, right? Big train. They're waving. Can you wave back, Charlie?
Okay, we are on car number 5 of the Thomas the Tank Engine train. We're waiting for it to start. We got Charlie and Hal and Nikki and Hank over there. And then up here we have Daddy and Jackie. Jackie. Okay, we'll record more in a little while.
Well, we just went for a ride. Charlie, I need you to sit down. Charlie, I need you to sit down. We just went for a ride on the Thomas train. And now Thomas is backing up. Saying goodbye. There he goes, Charlie. You stay seated, please. Whoa, there he goes. There he goes. Wave to him, Charlie. Whoa, look at that. Here goes Thomas. Bye, Thomas. There he's going. Bye-bye, Thomas. We'll see you later.
There he goes. Bye-bye.
We'll see you later, Thomas.
Bye.
Yeah, real good, John. You're not going to wait another 25.
Thomas went bye-bye, didn't he, huh?
It's supposed to be every hour.
Charlie, did you go for a ride on Thomas? Did you like it? Can you give me a big smile? Yeah, look at Daddy.
Daddy.
What did you say?
Daddy.
You want to hold Daddy?
Yes.
Okay. Would you like to go get something to eat?
No.
Do you want anything to eat?
Yes.
All right.
No, Daddy.
You want to hold Daddy? All right, here we go. Charlie's in a little jumping thing. Hey, Charlie, you having fun?
Dylan. Hey, Dylan.
Let's see you jump way up high. Can you jump way up high? Don't think he's getting too much fun out of it.
Come on, Dallas.
Can you stand up? You want to get down? Okay.
Okay, here is Daddy and Charlie.
Yeah, let's look at them. Yeah, look at Daddy.
Charlie with some rabbits. I've got my eye on him. Charlie's loving him. I've got my eye on him. George. Well, Charlie's loving this.
Well, little girl, do you want to go to Sir Topham Hat?
Here's Hal. He's going to see Sir Topham Hatt.
Why don't you sit on Sir Topham Hat? Why don't you sit here and Daddy's going to take your picture? Come here. Come here. I'll come with you. You stand right here. This is just Sir Topham Hat, remember? Thomas, you're a really useful engine. Here, I'll squat in here. You squat right next to me. Daddy's going to take our picture. Come here.
Hal, do you want Charlie in the picture?
Okay, look. Here we go. Look at Daddy. Look. No, you have to look at Daddy.
Hal, hi. Hi, Hal.
Okay.
Can you say thank you?
All right, you're gonna go see Sir Topham Hatt. Oh!
Charlie's turn. Charlie, you want to sit on his lap?
Whoa! Look at that, Charlie.
Oh.
You're sitting on Sir Topham Hatt's lap.
Wow.
All right.
Need a picture.
How many cameras is this?
Charlie, do you like Sir Topham Hatt? Where's Sir Topham Hatt's nose? Where's his nose? Right there. He's got a big nose, doesn't he? Yeah. Are you glad to have Jack in the picture with you? Oh, you are? Okay. Say, wave bye-bye, Charlie. Wave bye-bye.
Here's the back of Charlie's head. He's on Daddy's shoulders. That's his favorite place to be. And we're in line to get a balloon by this cute little clown here.
You're welcome. Yes,
I was really intrigued by this.
What color giraffe? Yellow. Oh, right.
George, can you stand over here some, please?
Yellow giraffe.
Giraffes have a long leg.
A long neck. That's right. They sure do. You want to have a long neck? Is that long enough?
Wow.
You're welcome. You need a picture?
Yeah, let me, okay, hang on.
Oh, here. I like that.
Charlie's finished product. He's got a yellow giraffe. And our very friendly clown. Mr. Clown, what is your name?
My name is AJ.
AJ is making a blue horsey. Gonna give that to little baby Jack.
Since we have a baby, we'll make a baby blue horse.
All right.
Nicholas, have you decided what you want?
Charlie are up, George and Charlie are out here on the railroad track getting a picture with famous Thomas the Tank Engine. Engine number 1.
That's a good little arm.
Charlie's getting a Thomas the Tank Engine tattoo.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Trying to video
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, when I take it off, we'll show Mother.
Wow!
She's right behind us. Look up, Mom.
Thomas! Yay!
Let us see it. Let Mommy see it.
Let me see it, Charlie.
Find the person.
Yay! Charlie got a tattoo.